The Alfa-Laval AlfaFlash evaporator is designed to concentrate challenging fluids with confidence. This forced circulation evaporator is ideal for high viscosity, high fouling and shear thinning fluids. It is also perfect for applications that have a high solids content that must meet zero liquid discharge requirements. The AlfaFlash is proven technology used worldwide in various food, water and energy applications. This plate and frame heat exchanger system is compact, self-cleaning and easy to maintain. Its highly flexible design makes the AlfaFlash easy to configure to a broad range of operational requirements. A pump transfers diluted fluid into the AlfaFlash, where it blends with a large volume of recirculating fluid. The fluid is heated under pressure, so it does not boil in the evaporator heat exchanger. The entrance neck and distribution area ensure an even flow of fluid over the entire plate. Maintaining a consistent flow and even temperature zones keeps surfaces clean and safeguards product quality. As the fluid moves up the channels, it is heated under pressure. High velocity and high turbulence create a high heat transfer rate and high shear stress on the plate surface. The high shear stress prevents solids from accumulating on the plate, enabling a continuous self-cleaning effect. The heated fluid flows from the heat exchanger towards the flash orifice. This creates back pressure on the fluid and prevents boiling inside the heat exchanger. As the heated fluid passes through the flash orifice, the pressure drops and a portion of the fluid flashes to steam. The two-phase mixture enters the cyclone separator along a smooth tangential inlet. The centrifugal forces improve vapor-liquid separation. A low-density steam rises from the circulating fluid into the space above where mists and fine droplets are removed. The cyclone design reduces the risk of foaming and carryover, resulting in clean condensate. A customized vortex breaker smooths the flow of liquid to the circulation pump. The circulation pump transports the fluid through the AlfaFlash system. The low pressure drop in the heat exchanger and the low height of the system minimize the energy used by the circulation pump. The concentrated fluid is discharged from the evaporator as a final product or further concentrated in additional effects. The AlfaFlash has many advantages, including high turndown ratio, ability to handle different fluids in the same evaporator, quick response to changes in fluid composition and/or consistency, wide capacity range, cost-effective corrosion-resistant alloys such as stainless steel, Hastelloy and titanium. The heat exchanger opens easily, enabling quick, easy inspection and cleaning of all surfaces. To increase capacity or to improve flow characteristics, plates can easily be added or removed according to process requirements. AlfaFlash. Compact, self-cleaning, flexible, easy to maintain.